Here's a pair of AirPods. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to a Vizio Smart TV via Bluetooth. Okay, it doesn't matter what AirPods you have. I'm going to use my AirPods Pro here. But first thing is we need to go to the setting on your Vizio TV. Now for this Vizio model here, I have a settings button on my remote right here. So I'm going to click on settings. And then from here, I'm going to go down one where it says Bluetooth. Okay, it says Bluetooth headphones right there. However, mine says off. Okay, so let me just move mine to the right. Let me move it to the right. Just go to where it says pair headphones. Okay, so it says pair headphones there. So I'm going to click on OK on the remote. And now you can see under other devices right there, that little circle thing that's like spinning. It's searching for other devices that are in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and grab our AirPods and put it in pairing mode. Okay, so I got a little button back here on mine here. So let me open this up. And I want to put it in pairing mode, okay? So let me press and hold this button here. I'm holding the button. I just want to, until it starts blinking white. Okay, so it's blinking white there. So now it's in pairing mode, okay? And now it just found it down there. It says AirPods down there. So let me go ahead and grab my remote and I'm going to go down to AirPods right there. And now I'm pairing it. It's a solid green light now. You can see the AirPods is checked. I'm connected. Now I can go ahead and use these to watch YouTube or Netflix or whatnot. If you guys had issues connecting or pairing, or maybe you couldn't get like a white blinking light or just wouldn't connect, you can factory reset these as well. Look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these. Okay, good luck, guys.